Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify account access on Google using Security Checkup step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Google homepage. In the top right corner, click on the profile icon or initial of your account. From the drop-down menu, select Manage your Google account. In the left-hand menu, click on Security. Scroll down to find the Security Checkup option. Click on Security Checkup to begin the verification process. Google will present a summary of your account security status. Review any important alerts that may require your attention. Follow any prompts to check your recent device activity. Verify that the devices listed are familiar and authorized. If you see any suspicious devices, click on them for more details. You will have the option to remove devices that you do not recognize. Next, review your two-step verification settings. Make sure two-step verification is enabled for added security. If it is not enabled, follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. Continue scrolling to review authorized apps and services connected to your account. Remove any applications you do not recognize or no longer use. Lastly, check your recovery options, including phone numbers and backup email addresses. Ensure that your recovery information is up to date and accurate. Once you have reviewed all sections, you can close the Security Checkup page. Your account security is now enhanced, and you can feel more secure using Google services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.